Hi, seventh grade. Welcome to art class. I'm Mr. Miller. I'm going to be your guide through this virtual experience. So, for virtual art class, things are a little bit different than what we do here in person, but it's okay. Totally all right. You're going to get a fine art education, even though you're at home and I'm here. So, the way this class works is we base everything on this sort of progressive model, meaning we'll work from week to week, kind of building up your skills. So every week we'll just kind of add on to what we've learned. So the way that it'll work is on sometime over the weekend, usually on I think on Saturday, I'll post everything for the week. So I'll post everything on Saturday. Everything will be due on that Friday. So you'll get the whole week to do it. And 9 times out of 10, there will be a tutorial video and then the project. So what I'll do is I record myself doing whatever it is the project, whatever it is, showing you how to work through it, showing you what I expect, showing you how to do it. And then that'll be part one. Part two will then be the assignment. So part one is the video. Part two will then explain the assignment, and that's where you will submit your work. So pretty much every project is done that way. I think there is maybe one or two that we do that isn't set up that way. Everything else is set up that way. Part one, video. Part two, submission. It's going to be all drawing based. Uh, when you guys are here, the class isn't all drawing based, but I am unable to get the tools and materials that we use here to you at home. You can't really do clay at home. You don't have a kiln at home. We do something here called a batik where we're working with fabric dye and hot wax. Just specialized things that you don't really have at home. So everything that we do in this class virtually, you are able to do it at your house. There shouldn't be any issues as long as you have paper of any kind and some sort of drawing or writing tool, whether it be a pencil or a pen or whatever, you should be fine. So that's going to be a pretty much basic layout of the class, drawing tutorials that I will do, and then you'll just follow along and do your thing. If at any point in time you have questions for me, submission questions, questions about the project or anything, you can either message me through Canvas or email me. If you go to the help section on the homepage, that leads you to my email and you can contact me that way. So if there's any issues, questions, concerns, anything, just drop me a line that way and we should be able to resolve everything. So the Canvas page is pretty easy. It's a pretty basic setup. On the little calendar on the bottom, like I said, you'll see on Monday, because there's not weekend days on there, but on Monday, you'll always see the part one and the part two, which is the video and then the assignment. And then on Friday, there's just a reminder, hey, all projects are due this day. And then you can submit it anytime as long as you get it to me before the end of the day on Friday. And that's pretty much it. Again, if you need to contact me, go to that help button. And any questions, just drop me a line and we'll clarify everything. So, welcome to art class. Hopefully, you get a lot out of this. Hopefully, you enjoy it. I kind of have this online class streamlined at this point. So, everything should be pretty good. And hopefully, we have a pretty smooth sailing 9 weeks. So, I guess, nice to meet you, sort of. Our first lesson will kind of be a little introduction. I'll introduce myself and you'll introduce yourself to me. We'll kind of get to know each other. And then from there, we'll jump into all of the other projects. So, again, welcome to art class. And I look forward to getting to know all you guys. All right. Bye bye.